All right, folks, very excited about this today. This one's by Edoven, but this is a rolling knife sharpening set. Let me tell you why I love this. It's a very simple setup to honing your knife. If you've ever sharpened a knife before, you know it can be a tricky thing sometimes. Getting the right angle, making sure that you're keeping even pressure on it as you're doing it, and that is where these rolling knife sharpening kits come in, and where I have absolutely fallen in love with this one. First off, they've got your standard block here to hold your knife at 2 different angles depending on what you want to do. 20 degree, a lot of knives do about a 20-degree angle for durability, to make the edge last a little bit longer. And some do a 15-degree to allow it a finer edge, a finer point. So it will end up a little bit sharper, but also sometimes that's at the sacrifice of durability. So it just depends on what you want to do or how your knife is set up. And then the actual honing portion it rolls, as you can see, but it's a 2-disc setup. On one side, you have your diamond side for kind of grinding away that metal. And then on the other side, you have this ceramic side, which is designed to kind of clean up and do some finish polishing on it, some finish sanding on your edge. And it gives such a good, nice sharpening. And I just got this, but I've already been using it on my trusty pocket knife here. Let's go with a little bit of edge. And here's the best part. For safety, the way this works is you don't ever have to actually touch the blade. The blade's magnetic on there, and all you're doing is simply rolling the sharpener across it back and forth in nice even strokes. And this is holding my blade at the correct angle. It's keeping it in constant contact with the grinding surface and allowing me to go between the grinding and the polishing super quickly, super easily. And it does come with caps for this so that you're not accidentally knocking away that diamond surface or messing up that ceramic surface as well. Overall, look, if you are looking for a good way, love it. If you are looking for a good way to keep your knives in shape, to make sure that they are always sharpened, man, check out this rolling knife sharpening set, honing set from Edoven. I think you're gonna love it. It's pretty dang awesome.